I'm going to turn this gumball machine into a giant version of this Fisher-Price person, and I'll do it relatively fast. Everybody probably knows this guy, but especially Gen X and millennials. It's the infamous Fisher-Price Angry Boy. And by the end of the video, like I said, this is going to be him. He's going to have a rectangle-shaped head and a rectangle-shaped body, but that can't be helped. Watching me open this will be boring, so opening this thing was pure insanity. I wanted to huck it out the window. Don't break it. You would think you turn Mickey's ears to unscrew the top. Oh, and yeah, this is a Disney gumball machine. How do you open this thing? Oh, there's tape on it. What is going on? It just says remove the lid. That's all it's. You can't. Wow. What is this? The Statue of Liberty's torch? I'll open these in another video. How am I going to spray paint this? The spray paint will make the crank stick. This is such bad lighting. It's the lighting that makes me look old. I got a Sharpie because Sharpies are the GOAT when it comes to permanence. Okay, it works, but I don't know if it's going to match the spray paint. Oh, that looks really good on camera. But watching me color is boring. So here's the bottom half painted. And I switched to the acrylic marker and it matched the spray paint pretty much perfectly. Now let's do this. There's the top part painted. And it's starting to look really good. This is going to be his hat, but it's not red yet. It's magic. But the hat needs a brim. So I made one. I'm taking this off. I don't know why I'm wearing it. This needs to be red. And now it's red. We put the hat on, and oh my God, are you even serious? What genius made this? Oh yeah, I'm the genius that made this. For real. What? Guys. That was a success. I was going to fill him with Fisher-Price Little People, but they didn't fit into the capsules. So I filled them with retro trinkets. Let's check them out. Oh, this is the one Fisher-Price figure that fit. It's Oscar from the Fisher-Price Sesame Street set. A vintage Lego minifigure, and Pikachu. This was a 2-for-1. A 101 Dalmatians finger puppet. A whistle ring. A rubber ducky. A skull pencil topper. Is this a Lisa Frank pencil? Let's go with Mickey Mouse. The sun is ruining this whole video. A dice that used to light up. If I roll a 4, I'm awesome. I'm awesome. A little skateboard charm. This was like when you win 2,000 tickets at Chuck E. Cheese and you think you're going to get something really good, but this is all you can get. A can of Minute Maid. That's a mini brand, so it's not retro. Skull face from the Mad Balls. I think this is the last one. An 8-ball charm. I think this is my favorite. Oh, there's one more. A little orange car. I can't even be humble. I can't. This is like genius level.